In front of me is iPad Air 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting one of your apps you wish to use in this view, and then sliding up from the bottom edge of your screen to access the dock. Now select a second app, hold it, and drag it to the top. Let go. Click on those three dots at the top of your app opened in pop-up view. Then hit split view here. Select left or right side and wait. As you can see now, I can use my apps in split screen view. If you wish to go back from it, hold this line in the middle and drag one of your apps all the way to the right or to the left. Then just simply close this one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!